Ungqongqoshe obhekelele ezabantu besifazane yintsha nabantu abakhubazekile ehhovisi likaMengameli uSindisiwe Chikunga uthi-ke ukusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa kusengenye-ke yezinto ezihlasimlisa igazi ezibhekene nentsha yaseNingizimu Afrika. Uxwayisa ngokuthi-ke lokhu kuyisizathu sokuyeka isikole, ukukhungatheka ngokomqondo, ubugebengu, noma ngathi-ke ukungasebenzi kanye-ke nokuhlukumezana ngokobulili. UChikunga kube esenxusa intsha ukuthi idlalele kude nezidakamizwa ngoba ukuzisebenzisa kungamosha ikusasa layo kanjalo nokuthuthuka kwezwe lonkana. Uqhubeke ngokuthi uhulumeni useyinhlelweni zokuqinisa imikhankaso elwisana-ke nokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa, kuhlinzekwe nosizo lokweluleka ngokomqondo ngokubambisana ne-Central Drug Authority kanye-ke neminye iminyango.
Umphathiswa kwi-ofisi kamongameli ojongene nabasetyhini, ulutsha kunye nabantu abakhubazekileyo uSindisiwe Chikunga ulumkisa ulutsha malunga nokwanda kokusetyenziswa gwenxa kweziyobisi. Ngelithi kuyaqhubeka nokusongela impilo zabo, ukhuseleko, imfundo kunye negalelo labo lexesha elide kuphuhliso lwezentlalo noqoqosho.
The Minister in the Presidency responsible for women, youth and persons with disabilities, Ms. Sindisiwe Chikunga, is cautioning young people against the growing scourge of substance abuse, warning that it continues to threaten their health, safety, education, and long-term contribution to socio-economic development of the country. Minister Chikunga emphasizes that young people are among the most vulnerable groups as they are prone to dependency on substances such as alcohol and drugs, particularly in communities affected by poverty, unemployment, inequality, and limited access to recreational and economic opportunities. Minister Chikunga said substance abuse remains one of the most vulnerable challenges confronting South Africa's youth, as it contributes to school dropout, unemployment, crime, mental health challenges, and gender-based violence in the country. As part of the government response, the Department of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities will continue to work with the Central Drug Authority, the Department of Social Development, the Department of Health, Law Enforcement Agency, and civil society organization in strengthening prevention programs, awareness campaigns, and psychosocial support services.
Isebe liqinisekisa ukuzibophelela kwalo ekuphuculeni ukuxhotyiswa kolutsha, umanyano kunye nokhuseleko loluntu ngokuhambelana nesicwangciso sophuhliso sesizwe, umgaqo-nkqubo wolutsha wesizwe kunye nesicwangciso sikarhulumente sesizwe solawulo lweziyobisi. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka.